I bring you the 2024 F-150 Raptor R. This is the coolest truck on the road right now. It is the coolest truck you can buy from any manufacturer right now. It's got 720 horsepower. This is an Avalanche Gray, and it's mine. And it has 13 miles on it. We're gonna start off with this modular front bumper. This is different than you're gonna find in the base Raptor. You could take this thing apart, you can add accessories. I mean, look how wide this thing is. It is incredibly wide, and the presence on the 37 package and the R makes you feel like you're riding up there with the semi-trucks. The Rs come with a different livery package, a sticker package on the hood, and this air extruder, is it extruder? Whatever it is. It's bigger on this than it is on the base F-150. And check out the logo on the side with the Raptor R in red. I think the Raptor R wheels, I'm not sure if this comes on the 37 package or just a Raptor, but these wheels are insane. You have the outer bead lock in like a carbonized gray, and the interior is black, like a matte black finish. I have two options on this vehicle, the moonroof and the sticker package. You know, the sticker package is a bit controversial. I think in pictures it doesn't look quite as good as it does in person. The stance on this, I know I said you felt like you were up with the semis, but man, when you see it in person, the height of the bed, just the overall presence of this truck is absolutely incredible. Coming around the back, it's got the new LED tail lights. You got this cool, you know, textured Ford on the back with the Raptor R logo. You got these beefy exhaust tips. This is all the same stuff, electric tailgate in the rear. You know, I did not get the bed liner. I have that on order. I have a tonneau cover coming and a bed carpet. But who are we kidding? The real reason we buy the Raptor R is not for its looks, not for its size, not for its stance. It's for this. The 720 horsepower supercharged Predator engine, which also provides power to the GT500s, which are incredible cars. The modifications that we can do with this thing at Middleton Motorsports are endless. We're getting 900 wheel horsepower out of the GT500s. Who knows what we can get out of this Raptor R. So when you enter the Raptor R, there's a noticeable difference, in my opinion, in the interior. You have this piano black, you have a bit more stitching, the code orange stitching with this kind of gray stitching underneath. You have the carbon fiber accents, and then you have these Recaro Alcantara, also textured seats. A little bit of an Easter egg when you step into the car is this V8 sign in the center console, which is hidden behind the Alcantara, which looks really cool. You have this beefy steering wheel with the Raptor R logo in the base of it, which is unique to this car. And the interior just feels a little bit more plush. So now let's check out the window sticker. As you can see here, the base price of $78,330, which is consistent with all of the other Raptors, $31,925 for 803A, which is the Raptor R series package. And it gets you that 720 horsepower, 5.2 liter Predator motor that's shared with the GT500. Also the option twin panel moonroof for $1495, which gets you to the grand total of $113,745. Which includes the destination and delivery charge. It's a lot of money for a car, it's a lot of money for a truck, but will they be making these in the future? Could this be the last V8 powered F-150 or pickup truck in the market? I don't know. I'm betting on it. When you get into these seats are really, you know, these are the Recaro seats. I don't know if they're the exact same seats out of the GT500s, but you definitely feel the bolster. You feel the bolster? Yeah. Like, especially on like my hips. Oh my God. I always feel bad for my cars. It's got 17 miles on it. I should just, you know, send it, but. Like I said, this gets you in trouble, this truck. This is like worse than having a fast car, because you can go get yourself 0 to 60 in jail, or 0 to jail very quick, and you can go off-road and say, I'm gonna go up that hill or go through those woods, and have no problem doing it. Yeah. Squealing the tires already. Whoa.